KIP. About to give them what they like, and that's that real talk, you see. Woo! Yeah. Veggies and radish and turnips and greens. Yeah. I want my family eating with it. I want my family eating with it. I make a living by growing. Straight from the ground when I planted my seed. You cannot see what I'm sowing. From out of the mud I done grown to a tree. Just like a flower, I'm open. I'm trying to go lettuce and carrots and beets. We should get water in life for the free. See, nature is heaven compared to the streets. See, right, you might live long, man. That's some common sense. Greens all on my plate. Now that plant life be my medicine. Straight from the garden to the table, how I represent. Started eating fresh. Now that plant-based lifestyle got me feeling like I can do anything, get it by any means. Enemies pray for my fall. None of my worries share enemy. Balance my energy. I don't do haters at all. Straight from the bottom I crawl into the top and I ball. You hungry? Just give me a call. Radish, potatoes, and carrots, you name it, I got it. Just hit up my phone. Turn up. Radish and turnips and greens. I want my family eating with it. I want my family eating with it. Radish and turnips and greens. I want my family eating with me. Talking about building wealth and legacy. Full off abundance and longevity. Living our dreams, training in work. Wanna be free, need discipline first. Living off greed, they abuse Mother Earth. Take me a seed and I put it in the dirt. Grow. Will I be a victim of defeat? No. I'm trying to study with the trees. No. Everything you see is to know. Getting land back to the people. We got everything we need in life. If you wanna succeed, make plans, then you sow them seeds. Put in work, then you grow them greens. It ain't even really magic. You just gotta turn the thought into a habit. Hold the vision in your mind and then you grab it. If you can't believe it, homie, you can have it. I'm giving out game for free. Plant-based life for me. Wanna live long, eat greens. You rockin' with KIP.